Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Another video today to teach us another style of gele. Please don't scroll up, don't skip the video. If you want to really get how I achieve this, don't skip it, watch till the end and give it a like. So guys, get your material, divide it into 50-50, that is two equal parts. Then you pleat it at the front, then you take it backward like this. I make that place faster because I don't want to bore you guys with unnecessary long video. So you take it from the back like this, then you try to arrange to make it straight and smooth forward. So that is what I'm doing here. I do it to the first side and I do it to the other side. Then the next thing, you're going to be crossing it like this twice at the front to make it tight. Make it tight, please. If you want to achieve this, make it tight and firm. So you can see I'm securing one part with my shoulder and my neck, and the other one I'll be pleating it down. It's simple. You just take one of it, any one of the hand, pleat it down like normal pleats. Arrange it to your taste and pleat it down. If you are going to church, you can do this in less than 7 minutes. 5 6 7 minutes, you are done. So you pleat it down like that, and you secure the remaining at the back with your pin. So I just turn it around my hair. If you don't have your hair, you can just find a place around to tie it and secure it with your pin. Just round it and secure it with your pin. So that is what I'm doing there now. After securing it with my pin, you can see I have achieved my desired design there in one side. So we can't leave this other one now, so we have to work with that one as well. So what am I going to do to it? This place concentrates. You just take it from where it is, it is in the other side. Take it from that side to meet the pleat you made, to meet it. Then you take it up like this. Guys, watch, don't mind my explanation, watch so that you can understand. I used to say you should not mind my explanation because it might not be thorough enough. So just take it like that. So I'll be pleating it like this from the middle down, down and down. So that is that. When you pleat everything down, just place it on it. Then this side that there is no pleat, take it like that and secure it with pin there in that edge. Yes, I've secured it already, and I'm trying to arrange that place because I'll be pressing the middle down. So you soon see what I'm talking about. So you arrange that place after you have secured the edge with pin. You arrange, and you press the middle down. You can see I've pressed the middle down, and I'll be securing it with my office pin again. So this is it. Yes, look at, after I have secured it with my pin, I'm still securing with my pin. Be watchful, be careful when you are using your pin so that you don't injure yourself. So I secured it with my pin already. See what it gives me. So the remaining one here, I'm just going to pick it up and ruffle it anyhow. Ruffle it, yeah. And look at it now. So I'm going to bring it here and I'll be pinning it down. Pin down until you feel it is secured, guys. If you want to use your pin, you put it in, let it come out again and put it in. Yes, that is how to use your pin. Or you bend it, you put it in, let it come out and you press it down, bend it. So guys, I am done and I'm trying to arrange the edges. If you have watched the video to this length and you haven't subscribed or follow my page on Facebook and you haven't subscribed on YouTube, please click the subscribe button because it's free, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And on Facebook, follow my page, give it a like and comment. I need your response. What do you think about it? You can rock it to church, party, anywhere. That's my view, guys. I'm securing that place to make it more firm, and I'm done with this style. I haven't seen it anywhere. I just came up with it. So that is why I want your feedback. I'm seeing you in my next video. Stay blessed.